So as we were doing exercise third B, question number 1 we have done. Today we will do question number 2. So what we have to do in question number 2? Write the following number in column and find the sum. What we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in column and then find out their sums. Clear, students? But before finding the sums, we have to check their place value, or you can say position of each and every digits in number. आप नंबर में उन डिजिट्स की पोजीशन या फिर प्लेस वैल्यू चेक करोगे एंड देन यू हैव टू अरेंज द नंबर्स इन कॉलम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so for your convenience you can write down here thousand, hundreds, tens and ones. Now let you see here. The first number is 271. It means 2 is on hundreds place. So I am writing here from 271. Okay. Now the next number is 92. And in 92, 9 is on tens place. So I am writing here 92 from the tens place. Now the third number is 2034. So I will write down this number from thousands place. So put the 2 on thousand place and then 0 on hundred place, 3 in on tens place and 4 will be on ones place. Now we have to find the sum. Okay students, now 4, 2, 6, 6 and 1, here will be 7, 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 7, 19. Then we will write here 9 and 1 will be carry forward. Okay, 1 will be carry forward to the next number. And now 2 and 1, 3 will be here and only 2 is here, not any number is given above the 2, so we will write here only 2. It means the sum will be 2397. Okay students, now let you see question number B. Okay, so now once again we will write here for our convenience, because the position of the biggest position of in this number is thousands. So we will start from thousand, then hundreds, then tens and then ones. Okay students, and the number is starting from thousands place. So we will write here 2000, 540. Okay. And the second number is 389. It means we have to start writing the number from the hundreds place. So I am writing here 389 and then we will find out the sum. Okay. When we add 0 in any number, then the sum will be the same number. So here will be 9, 8 and 4 will be 12. We will write here 2 and 1 will be carry forward to the next number. Now 5 and 1, 6 and 3 is 9 and there is no number below the 2. Then we will write here 2 only. Okay. Then the sum will be 2929. Let me see some other questions. Okay. Now let me do question number C. So in C, 456, then 30 and 4749. Look students, listen very carefully. Okay, what you have to check to arranging the numbers in column, always check the largest place value of number. नंबर के आपको लार्जेस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने हैं. विच नंबर हैज़ लार्जेस्ट place value, then you have to make a column. Okay, so here the largest place value of 4000, so I will be make a column from thousands, then hundreds, then tens, and then ones. If there will be 10,000, so you will be freeing column from 10,000. Okay, so always let you check the largest place value in the group of number के group में आपको largest place value find out करनी है, and then you have to make a column. Okay, now so 456, it means I will be start from hundreds place. Now I will be writing here 456, then 30, and then 4749. 4749. Now I will be find here some. Now 9 is 6, 15. So I will be write here 5. 1 will be carry forward to the next number, and 5 and 3 8, 8 4 12, 12 and 1 13, and once again 1 will be carry forward to the next number, 7 and 4 11, 11 and 1 12, and 1 will be carrying over here. Okay, now 4 and 1 5. So the sum will be these numbers 5235. Okay students, now let you see the largest place value of which number, 71,823. Okay, 71,823. So what I have told to you, always check the largest place value of the number in a group में आप सबसे पहले उस नंबर को फाइंड आउट कीजिए जिसकी प्लेस वैल्यू लार्जेस्ट है. सो हियर द लार्जेस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू इज 71,000. Okay, so I will be start from here 10,000. Okay, so TTH, then thousands, then hundreds, then tens, and then ones. Now 71,000, it means 7 will be on 10,000. Okay, in this number 7 will be on 10,000. Look how ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So 7 will be on 10,000. Sorry. Okay, 7 will be on 10,000. Now 1 will be on thousands, 8 will be on hundreds, 2 will be on tens, and 3 will be on ones. Now 241, it means we have to write down from hundreds place 241 and then 156. Now we will find out the sum. 6, 3, 9 and 1 10. 1 will be carried forward. 5, 4, 9, 2, 11 and 1 12. 1 will be once again carried forward to the next number. 9, 8 to 10, 1 11 and 1 12. 1 will be carried forward to the next, and 1 and 1 2, and it's 7. So the sum will be here 72,220. Okay, so what will be the sum of these numbers? 72,220. Okay students, so students, you have to do rest of the sums like as. First you have to check the largest place value of which digit in the group which. Now let me do question number E. Okay, so once again we will write down here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. So the largest place value of in this group 10,000. So I am writing here 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. Now you can write down here 148. It means you will write down here 148, then 32,791. 3 will be on 10,000 place, 2 will be on 1000 place, 7 will be on 100 place, 9 will be on tens place, and 1 will be on ones place. Now find out the sum. 8 and 1 9, 9 and 4 13. 1 will be carried forward to the next. Now 7 and 1 and 1. 7 1 8 and 1 9. 2 is only here and 3 is only here. Why? Because no one other number above of these 2 digits. So we'll be write down here only 32. So the sum will be 32,939. Now the next is once again ones, tens, thousands, hundreds, ones, tens, thousands, hundred. Okay, now the next what will be there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So it means we have to start from thousands place, thousands, then hundreds, then tens, then one. Now 7,203, 1,079, 2,102, and then find out the sums. Okay, 9 and 3 12, 2 14, 4 will be there, 1 will be carried forward to the next number. Okay, and the 7 and 1 8, 2 and 1 will be 3, 7 1 8 and 2 10. Because no other number is forward here, so we will write down 10 number. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आगे आपको और कोई नंबर नहीं है, so हम यहाँ पे 10 लिखेंगे. Okay, there will be no carry forward. Okay students, I hope you must have understood. You will do all questions like this.